Welcome to naturally.com Cooking with Diane. Today we're going to do black-eyed pea soup. This is something that you often have as a tradition on New Year's Day to start the year off with a black-eyed pea soup or black-eyed peas in some manner. But this is something that you don't see throughout the year, but it's really a great soup to make throughout the year. So I have soaked my peas overnight and they've been drained and rinsed. I have my broth heating up while I was cutting up my vegetables. And so it's a very easy soup. You just cut all your vegetables up and then you dump them into the broth with the peas. I had already put my garlic in the broth. It was cooking. So this is going to be a very rich soup. And then I put my spices in, my bay leaf. If you don't have the smoked paprika, you can use plain paprika. However, the flavor will be a little different. And now you're going to let this simmer for an hour and a half, stirring occasionally. And it looks like I need to add a little bit more broth to this. So I would say I had 6 cups of broth in there. I think I'm going to add 2 more cups. And so that there'll be plenty of broth to cover the vegetables. So I have added 2 more cups of broth, so that brings this to 8 cups. And that just looks about the right amount of liquid in here. So you'll have some broth when you're eating it. And be plenty to cook through on that. So if you find that 6 cups is not enough, add 2 more cups or 1 or 2 more cups as needed. Now I'm going to put the lid on it and I have it on simmer. And in an hour and a half we'll come back and see how it tastes.